The way this is going, Boga is going to be able to build a quad from scratch.
准备开始了。
No Kanpai? What happened to Kanpai? He just said he's not going to come. You said he's going to fly.
We have 3.
Yeah, he's here. Yeah, there's no Xiaoxian Li. Yeah. So again, you just don't want to be last. We're gridding at 3. We're only using 1, 2, and 3. Are you already on it? I like your style.
这一组的中国选手只有一位，许浩，他是在3频道，大家可以关注一下。他的 logo 屏幕上 OSD 上的 logo 是 Leo。
All right, pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5.
OK， 开始。许浩，安全第一啊！
Remember, this is the consolation bracket. If you are 3rd or 4th, 4th is already filled, but if you are 3rd, you are done. If you're 1st or 2nd, you are carrying on. We are killing it right now. 3 in the air. Look at this low side of the tower. It's Kanpai. You guys were counting him out. He's your leader right now after 1. Spinnaker right with them, 1 and 2.